How to find your cPanel details on Bluehost. This video will show you how to find your cPanel details, which is required for your cPanel migration. Finding your cPanel username. The first step is logging into your active Bluehost account. Once the page loads, click the hosting button on the left. Scroll down until you see the Quick Links panel and click on the cPanel button. Look on your right under General Information and you will see the current username. Copy this onto Notepad or write it down. Finding your cPanel API token. On the same page, click the search bar on the top right of the screen and type API token. Click Manage API Tokens from the drop-down menu that appears. Once the page is loaded, click the Create button. Here you must create an API token name. Once you decide on the name, click the Create button. The API token will now have been generated. Click the Copy button and paste it on Notepad or write it down. After this, click the I have saved my token button. You will now have the information you need to migrate with the cPanel method.